Good morning to Dr. Chan. My name is ROZIATUL binti MAZELAN. Also, my friend is AMIRUL SYUHADA binti ZULKIFLI. Today, I want to presentation about the Shear Box Test, and I want to explain the what, when, where the Shear Box Test. So, what the Shear Box Test? Testing method used to determine the shear strength of the soil sample. Since granular soil cannot be retreated undisturbed, the soil is recompacted inside a shear box. Second, the soil friction angles in the determined by direct shear, and the tests are carried out under saturated condition. Where the shear box test used, it is conducted at the laboratory and using the automatic direct or residual shear test machine. The field of the soil occurs when the shear stress acting parallel to that surface exceeds the shear strength, especially for under saturated condition of soil, and when the shear box test performs. In the case of the shear stress acting on a body, the deformation which is produced is called shear strength.
Okay, next, I will present about why the direct shear box test was conducted. Okay, the first reason is it is used to determine the shear strength of soil. Second is it's to determine the failure strength on a surface that has been set. Okay, next is how. How the direct shear test was conducted. Okay, the base plate inside the shear box was fixed. Next, the porous was placed on the base plate. The next is two half of shear box were fixed by insert the two screw. The square specimen cutter was filled with a sand in a small layer, so we need a tamper to compact the sand layer. The dimension of soil specimen were determined by verified internal measurement. Next is the correct loading was applied to the hanger pad. As the screw clamping was removed, the test was conducted by applying horizontal shear load to failure. The reading of horizontal was recorded and force dial gauge for every 20 seconds. The steps were continuing until the probing dial gauge reading reached a maximum and then fall or remains constant. Lastly is the step above was repeated with different loading that 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram and 3 kilogram. Thank you. That's from me.